Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad box break. So 4 boxes of Beauty Ultimate, number 6. The last minute break was the Edmonton Oilers on June 10th at 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So current date and time. Click refresh again. It's currently Thursday, June 11th at 12:36 a.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here as per normal for our breaks. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Register account there, and we do have a couple mixers for tomorrow. We did post a Sunday mixer break. So let's check out that. Number 6. And our serial numbers tonight are NE22106321678335 3790 and 7455. 3216 7835 3790 7455. Let's go over the rest of our exterior shrink wrap and then we'll get started. So we'll just see all 4 of the seals. They are sealed and sealed. And so turn us around here. I'll do the break this way here again. A little bit easier to do the break that way. Okay, so here we go, everyone. Sorry again for the people in Breakers here for the wait. 3216. So tomorrow we do have, I think it's 2 boxes of Ultimate mixed up with another case. So pretty much almost a new case, because I know we've been kind of crushing this case here lately too. Nice hit so far, which isn't a bad thing. Okay, so here we go. So this one we start off with a base card of Ryan Miller, $4.99 for the Sabres. Ryan Miller. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Marek Mazanec, 47 of $4.99 for the Preds. Mazanec, and a signature masterpiece going out to the Philadelphia Flyers. We got Bobby Clark. Bobby Clark for the Philadelphia Flyers. And next one is a Ultimate Trios or triple jersey. We got Jimmy Howard, Steve Yzerman, Henrik Zetterberg, 23 of 50. All 3 of them are for the Red Wings. All 3 Detroit. And on to box number 2. 7835. Stuck in the plastic there. Okay, so this one we have a base card of Vincent LeCavier, $4.99 for the Flyers. And our next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Andre Palat, 35 of $4.99 for the Lightning. Andre Palat. And our next one, oh nice, very nice. Short print, only the second one we've seen of these. Going out to the Nordiques, which relocated to Colorado. We have a 97 Legends autograph of Joe Sakic. Very nice hit there. Going out to the Avalanche, Joe Sakic. And our next one is a Ultimate Rookie auto, Will Acton, 258 of 399 for the Oilers. Very nice box there. And 3790, box number 3. Also, whoever has the Avalanche, if you do want tracking or anything, just let me know and make arrangements on that for additional coverage. Okay, and this one we have a base card of Yari Curry, 31 of 499, the Kings. The next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Jason Masine, number 6 of 499 for the Rangers. Jason Masine. And our next one is a short print going out to the Anaheim Ducks of Hampus Lindholm, 41/99. Camera focus. Hampus Lindholm, 41/99. And a 2-color Ultimate Jersey of Duncan Keith going out to the Blackhawks, who have themselves a big win today, Game 4. And box number 4, 74/55. So here we go, final pack of Ultimate Break. And this one we have a base card of Bobby Ryan, $4.99 for the Senators. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Martin Jones, $352 of $4.99 for the LA Kings. Martin Jones. And our auto is a Ultimate Rookie auto of Scott Laughton, number 81, $3.99. Third hit for the Flyer in this break. Scott Laughton. And nice. Going out to the Edmonton Oilers, we got Mr. Nail Yakupov, 3-color 4-break. Number 61/100. Nice patch on that one. Going out to the Oilers. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got quad UD Ultimate again tomorrow, double Upper Deck Ice, and last box of Cup out of our 6-box case, and then new 3-box case starting the day after.